I mean, even if you're burnt out on it, it sounds like you're pretty far along, right? It sounds like you're getting there, right? I mean, you couldn't have made it to 3 years without being at least a little bit of a smart guy, right? So you're probably a pretty smart guy. So you can't drop out at this point. That's I'm not on board with that at all, man. So look, if you haven't joined our Discord, join there. We'll give you all the support you need. But to some degree, I get it, right? Because most comp sci programs out there just stink, right? I hate interviewing comp sci graduates, right? Because they always want to tell you about their third-year project when they wrote a compiler. Well, guess what? Every computer science person writes a compiler, right? So I get it, right? Most computer science programs, I can only think of like 2 or 3 in the country that are worth anything. But you got to bear through it. You got to bear through it if you're that close, right? I mean, Alan, I'm going to assume you're in the US, right? I can't remember if you told us where you're from, but you're probably starting a new school year in a couple weeks here, right? Or maybe you already have. Some schools start early, right? So are you starting your 3rd year, or you just finished your 3rd year? Let us know. But you're pretty far along. You can't stop now, my friend, right? So join the Discord.